Good thing I'm not camera shy, huh? And what I forgot to put in here are those spacers so that the screw threads don't get it all in there. So, and what you want to try to do too, which is difficult, is you want to try to have the same pressure so you get the same depth. So I'm holding it straight up and down, and then you can start to lever that chip out behind you. And so at first, it's critical that you are in between your lines. And I find it's actually easier. Sometimes hardwoods are easier than softwoods because they chunk out easier. And it tends to just chip out.
Punky or funky?
Punky. Punky. So I'd like to get a nice clean shoulder. You can on this one. This is the marking gauge I made, and I like it because the blade that I got from a guy by the name of Hamilton, and you can sharpen it, and it leaves a really nice cut. I've had it for too many years and it's not as accurate as it should be, so I need to make a new one. Let's see if I can do it this way for you.
John, that's a lovely mortise. Right? No, I think that's awesome.
All right.
You're scoring it.
What I'm doing, I'm just setting the chisel into the line that the marking gauge made, and that's going to give your saw something to start in.
In Lupe's defense, I did ask her to document this meeting because one of the members couldn't make it tonight, and he said, "Could you please video it or so I can watch it?" So
Oh, okay.
that's she's being a particularly
She is,
diligent. Yeah.
but that's okay.
Yeah.
You can recharge it off your, it's that USB port on your computer. So I'm going to try to go down to my shoulder line first. I'm a little crooked. Would you sit on this table? Yeah. That's not too bad. Real common problem people have when they saw, they try to force that saw in there. You want to just let the saw do the work, just the weight of it, let it carry it down. we'll break it. All right. That's kind of a short portion of it. What makes it one thing you want to do, and hopefully not too bad. All right, and then